your hair is crazy. You know why? Because Mommy did not wash all that stuff out of it.
No, because Daddy...
The dog was licking it.
Macy, lay down, girl.
I mean, honey, the shampoo would not even lather on his hair.
Yeah, well, I accidentally sprayed sunscreen or bug spray in his eye, and I tried to like wipe his face real quick and get in his hair. So it didn't. I don't think it bothered him too bad, but I was trying to get it on his side of his face.
Ooh, gotcha. Let's go this way.
Turn his head.
Hey you. Hey you. You got your nose. I got your nose. Macy got the ball. Macy got the ball. Owen. Oh. Hey Owen.
Sunken, you know, they say like creamy, salty stuff sometimes it's over your tongue.
Is that what they say?
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
I've heard that too.
See? Look at that.
In fact, I heard that last night. We're gonna stay over here because I know you're gonna want to go swimming.
Like the reason we went ahead and gave you the bath.
I got him. In the sun walk for a little while.
I was hoping he'd get more interested in the dog.
You know, he likes Shady.
Well, because
Shady makes him giggle.
That's because he's bigger than Shady.
Shady makes him giggle. It was so funny when you were out of town and Brian and David came over for dinner. Shady was playing around and Owen was done, so we let him go down. And they were chasing each other down the hall and Owen was laughing. I haven't heard him giggle like that so much. It was very, very cute. You missed it.
Yeah, I missed it.
It'll happen again though if David brings Shady. I mean, he can bring Shady over here sometime. Would you like to see Shady Lady? Would you like to see Shady Lady? You know, you are taunting that dog right there. You know that's his ball, her ball.
Macy, lay down. Mace, sir. Lay down, man.
Owen. Cha-cha, baby, cha-cha. Baby, cha-cha, baby.
Owen, are you preaching? Aww.
Good throw, baby. Oh, that dog's so cute. I want to play fetch with himself.
There you go, bud.
Good boy. She just got it. She was just able to get it. Goodness gracious. Can you be cha-cha, baby? Can you dance? Cha-cha, baby.
Grizz, what is this lunacy that's going on around you? Oh, poor Macy.
No, don't throw it to me, throw it to me.
Throw it to the doggy, Owen. Can you throw it to the doggy?
Hi. Throw it to the doggy. Yeah, her leg hurts. When's her back leg hurts? Yeah, I know, but her back leg hurts. I'm trying to get Owen up.
I thought he was going to take it out of the dog.
Hey, buddy. You gonna say hi to me? No.
Is there a pull-out bed in there? I was about to say, how are we both going to
There's actually a pull-out bed in both rooms.
guys.
Did we pull out that middle section?
Yeah.
That couch right there when you open the door, I think you just pull out there.
That one is, and the blue one is. Okay, bring me the ball. No. You're mean. Mean, Owen.